Now today let's start with chapter number 9, friction. So in this chapter I will tell you about friction, what are the different causes, types of friction, and friction is necessary evil. So you have learned about the force of friction in the previous class. One of these force which acts upon all the object, it is the force of friction. So all these answers will be short in chapter. When we push our book on the desk, it stop after moving to a certain. अब देखते हैं कुछ distance पे move करेगी फिर वो रुक जाएगी. It is due to friction. That there is some kind of opposing force that stops the move. The force acting along the two forces in contact that opposes the motion of one object over the other is called force of friction कहते हैं. This force of friction opposes movement of the body and always act in the opposite direction. So we can say that जो force होती है which tends to stop moving object or prevent a stationary object from moving is called frictional force. What are its causes? Now we know that friction is opposing force. The opposing force may vary according to the surface which are contact with each other. Force है. So let's study about the magnitude of the frictional force and does the nature of the surface in contact affect the magnitude of the friction. So here the activity is given to show that the frictional force depend upon the nature of the surface. Different materials are needed. You can see we need a wooden box, a spring balance, sandpaper and some talcum powder. And you can start the method now, right? So let's study here. Now what are the different types of friction? We have static friction and kinetic. First is static friction, the opposing force that comes into play when one object tends to move over the other surface of another. जो actual motion है वो start नहीं हुआ है. What we call it static friction. Next is kinetic friction. So when we increase the applied force slightly beyond the limiting friction, the object begins to slide slowly. ठीक है, जो kinetic friction है वो एक opposing force है जो किसके कांटेक्ट में आती है, वन ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज एक्चुअली मूविंग ओवर द सरफेस ऑफ अदर. वी हैव डिवाइडेड friction into two types, kinetic friction, that is sliding friction and rolling friction. Sliding, once the object is moved from its position of rest, force is applied on it, it keeps on moving on the same speed. The force which is required to keep the object moving in the same speed is called sliding friction कहते हैं. You will notice that it is easier to keep a body moving with the same speed than to initiate the movement of the body. It means lesser force is required to maintain the speed of the body which is already moving, and that makes a body move from its position of rest. This is because when the object starts sliding, it does not get enough time to lock itself. उसको इतना time नहीं मिलता. Then we have rolling, the opposing force that comes into play when object is actually रोलिंग. ठीक है, जब ऑब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है, एक्चुअली रोल कर रहा है, इट्स अ लॉग ऑफ वुड, वो रोल्स करता है फ्लैट सरफेस, राइट. व्हाई फ्रिक्शन इज अ नेसेसरी इविल? द फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स इज वेरी important in our daily life. One day-to-day activities would not be possible without if there is no frictional force. We would not be able to hold anything if there was no friction between one feet and the ground. It helps us to walk. The friction between the tires of vehicle and the roads help them to move on roads easily without slipping. If there was no friction, we would not be able to fix a nail or apply the brakes. Thus, we see that friction is important in our daily life. Friction क्या होता है कि ये important होता है daily life. Now, what are the disadvantages of friction? Friction has various disadvantages. What are the disadvantages of friction? Friction has various disadvantages. It produces heat. You must have experience when you rub our palm. जब हम ऐसे करके rub करते हैं तो heat आती है, heat generate करता है. And similarly, when the machines are run, their parts rub against each other और वो heat produce करते हैं and the heat gradually damages the machine part. और machine part को damage करता है. Friction causes wear and tear of machine. If there would have been no friction, the machine would not wear out with the time. Right? Similar friction is the opposing force. It opposes the motion of the machine and causes loss of energy, और जो wastage of energy is required to make the opposing. Increasing and reducing friction. We have seen that friction is the advantageous at some places, whereas it is disadvantage also. So first is to increase friction. The players in some games like wrestling and kabaddi rub their hands with some coarse material so they can increase the friction for better grip. The sole of the shoes and tires are grooved to avoid slipping. द यूज ऑफ ब्रेक पैड्स इन द व्हीकल क्या करता है, फ्रिक्शन को इंक्रीज करता है, सो दैट मोर फ्रिक्शन रिजल्ट्स इन इफेक्टिव ब्रेक्स. सो टू रिड्यूस फ्रिक्शन, आपको फ्रिक्शन को रिड्यूस करना है. सब्सटेंस कॉल्ड ल्यूब्रिकेंट्स आर यूज्ड इन द मशीन्स, जिससे आप फ्रिक्शन को रिड्यूस कर सकते हो. These are applied for the moving parts of the object machine so that thin layer is formed between them and they do not directly rub against each other. An air cushion can also be incorporated between the parts of machine जिससे आप friction को reduce कर सकते हो. The ball bearing are used which is used to reduce friction by the moving parts. जैसे staircase हो गया, उससे आप friction को reduce कर सकते हो. We can also reduce friction by polishing the object since the irregularities of the surface are covered by polish. It becomes smoother and जो क्या होता है, friction आपका reduce हो जाता है. Next is fluid friction. Both air and liquid exert frictional force which are moving through them. This types of friction is called fluid friction. ये किस पे depend करता है, speed of the object पे, shape पे, उसके nature पे, right? So you can check your progress. Here are some method that has been identified. You can do it yourself. Now we have completed the chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.